हाय वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। तो आज की हमारी वीडियो उन पेरेंट्स के लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट होने वाली है जिनको अपने बच्चों का एडमिशन कराना है प्री नर्सरी और नर्सरी में से। इन टुडेज वीडियो वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द नर्सरी एंड प्री नर्सरी syllabus. So if you have a child around 2 to 3.5 year old and you want to send your child for the nursery or pre-nursery, you should have an idea that what is the age criteria and how you can take it forward. Because of COVID, last year we were not able to send our kids to the schools. So in that case, you can teach your kid at home. So I went to a school, I discussed about the syllabus and age criteria and all the things. So some schools are taking admissions in December onwards. They are starting the batch for pre-nursery, so that from April onwards your child will be jump into nursery class. Some schools are just taking like they have just started registration in November and December, so that you can book your seat, you can register your child for the class, and then the class will be start from April onwards. If your child is around two and a half year old, you can enroll for a pre-nursery or a play group or play school. But if your child is around 3.5 year, then you can enroll your child for the nursery class. But before taking admission in the nursery, your child should know some basic things. So वही सब we will discuss in this video, जो कि प्री नर्सरी का सिलेबस होता है. Okay. कुछ स्कूल्स में नर्सरी को ही 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया जाता है. वन इज प्री नर्सरी एंड अनदर इज नर्सरी. Otherwise they divide the syllabus pre-nursery for 6 months, and then 6 months they will do the nursery syllabus. In some schools they will give 1 year to the play group and then another 1 year to the nursery. So first one is reading. Reading is like English reading A to Z. Hindi we will introduce later on, not in the pre-nursery. Hindi will be started from a nursery class. So we'll discuss that in nursery syllabus. So reading A to Z, for that I'll refer you book also. Your child have to just identify the photos. Like I have this book, apple, A for apple, B for ball, like that. So you can buy this type of book. This is for my little daughter. Single picture book you can buy. This is for English. Apart from this, you can buy flashcards also. And if you don't want to buy this book, if you want all-in-one book, then I have this book. I purchased it for my elder daughter. This is very nice book, all-in-one. In this book you will get all the things that is for the nursery syllabus you need. Hindi, English, counting, right, fruits, vegetables, all the things. So if your child knows some basic things like alphabet identification and you want to enroll for the nursery class, then you can buy this book and you can start teaching this book. And if your child is like just two and half year old, in that case you can buy this type of book. This is very nice and interesting book. The purchase link I'll provide you in the description box if you want to buy, or otherwise you can buy these books offline also if you get them. Next thing is that writing. In writing, as their gripping power is not so strong, so in the basic your child should know just like standing line, sleeping line. So and you can introduce alphabets with a standing and sleeping line, like L, T, H, I, F, E in starting. You can just start with the writing practice. You can buy, there are so many products on Amazon and Flipkart, so they will help your child. And apart from this, I have uploaded a video like from zero level, from basic, how you can help your child in the writing practice, how their gripping power can be strong, how you can improve that, and you can make these type of cards, so like that your child can trace easily. Okay, and I'll suggest you that you should watch that video if you wanna improve the gripping power of your child. Next is like numbers. In numbers, like oral, your child should know counting like 1 to 5. 5 is also enough, or 1 to 10, and your child can write like, can make circle like this is 0, this is 1, that is in conversation. So your child should include in the conversation, your child, all these are the part of behavior. So your child should know about myself, what is my name, mama's name, because 2.5-year-old kid can do conversation, a little bit conversation, not that much, and you can teach them good manners. You can like recognize the journal things, like you can show this is an apple, so if you will show apple in real to your child, he or she should recognize. Next is like about the road, home, and class objects. Just basic introduction, nothing you don't, and this will be just oral only, that what things we use in class, right, what things we use at home, normal things. Next is like GK. In GK you have to introduce about the fruits, vegetables, vehicles, flowers, just basic introduction, that this is a marigold flower, this is rose flower, this is apple, this is banana, like that. So next is rhymes. Rhymes are very 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 important for your child, and kids actually enjoy rhymes very much, so you can buy any book or you can do it online also. Next is the storytelling is very very important again, and so that it will help your child in the focus, to improve concentration, and it will improve the reading habit. It will generate reading habit, so it will improve reading skill of your child from the starting level. So I have this book, The Tiger Who Came Tea, and I have 2 or 3 more books like for the story for 2-year-old, like that. So you can buy this type of books for the story. Your child will definitely going to enjoy. Just take care that book should be bright, so you should buy good quality books, bright pictures book, and this is like paper is thick, so your child cannot eat it easily and cannot tear it easily. Okay, so if you want to see the collection for the books and for the educational toys, I have already made videos, so I request you to go and check those videos also, if you want to get reference regarding to the toys for this age group and the books. Next is drawing, color and craft. Yes, again, drawing, color and craft, this will improve your child imagination, your child thinking ability, and it will also help in like the fine motor skill of your child. So for the drawing, for the coloring, I was just like bought these thick crayons. These type of thick crayons you can buy in the starting for your child, and a coloring book you can buy, and just give it to your child. Your child should just let it do anyhow your child wanna do. You don't have to say like you have to draw line like this, do coloring like that, or all these things. Just let them free. So all these are the things. If your child is taking admission in the nursery, you should teach them at home, and these are just basic things you can easily teach them at home. And just to make it fun, you have to be little super active and smart. You have to play with them, like for the alphabet identification and number identification. I also have these. For Hindi also I have these type of alphabet, like 7 H. So you can do kind of matching game, right? Like I have this book, for example, and this is B. So you can give it to your child and give this, match it. So your child will see it will go here or here. So this will be a matching game, and your child can easily learn to identify alphabets. And the same way you can do it with the numbers and Hindi alphabets also. So you have to be super active and super smart and intelligent while teaching your kids. So thank you so much for watching our video. If you have any suggestion, then you can please comment us below in the comment section.